In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create columns in WordPress. Do you want to add multi-column content in your WordPress posts? Columns can be used to create engaging layouts for your posts and pages. To add this on your post, navigate to the post you want to add columns in. I'll edit this post. Now, I want to add this list of plugins here. So, first, click here on this icon to add a block. Then, in the search bar, type columns. Click on the columns block. Select the variation you want. I'm going to select the 50-50 column. And here we have two blocks. Click here and search for the list. And simply enter the content one by one here. Now, for this block, just select the content you want to add, and then this time add the paragraph block. And paste the content here. Now, to convert this to a list, select all of the content, then click here to transform this block from a paragraph to a list. You can even change the color of the column. Select the block, then on the right side, click on the color settings, and here you can change the color of the text from here. And you can change the background color from here. Now, you can even add images and text together. To do that, click here to add a new block, search for Media and Text, select this block. You can upload the image from here. Now, I have it in my media library, so I'll select it from here. Then write the text content here. If you have some paragraphs on your post that you want to convert to columns, you can do that too. Here I have these 3 blocks that I want to convert into a column. So just select these blocks, and then click here to change the type of these blocks, and select Transform to Columns. And that's it. This is how you can create columns in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.